I am taking with the model 3, that is symmetrical components. In the previous model 1 and 2 we have discussed about how to represent the power system, and in the model 2 we have discussed how the symmetrical faults can be solved. Now here, before going to the unsymmetrical faults, we have to convert the unsymmetrical components into the symmetrical components. Thus we are dealing with the model 3 symmetrical components. In this, the firstly we will understand how to convert unbalanced phasor or unbalanced component into symmetrical. So we will refer a Fortescue's theorem to convert the three unbalanced phasors which can be converted into three sets of balanced phasors. Just you can see in the figure 1, which is showing a unbalanced phasor having a three components VA, VB, VC. They are not equally having a distance or a magnitude. They are not having a equal angle also. They are not apart from a 120 degree. Hence I call this as a unsymmetrical or unbalanced phasor. This phasor can be solved into three balanced phasors as positive sequence component, negative and zero sequence component, which are represented respectively in the figure 2A, 2B and 2C. So the positive sequence component are those where from the original phasor I am going to take the same conditions. They are having all magnitudes same, they are apart from 120 degree, and also they maintain the same phase sequence as the original. So here the phase sequence is A, B, C. If I take clockwise, the same sequence I have maintained here, A, B, C. So hence we have a definition: the three balanced phasors of equal magnitude, they have a equal magnitude, displaced from 120 degree in phase and having the same sequence as the original. As the original I have a same sequence. The similarly referring to the figure 2b, it is negative sequence component where it is having the same phase magnitude, phase angle is also same 120 degree. Only the change is that their opposite has the phase sequence of the original. You can observe that the phase sequence for original is ABC. Here it is ACB. Hence the definition is the three balanced phasors of equal magnitude displaced by 120 degree in each and having the opposite phase sequence as that of the original. So that is called, we call it as a negative. Whereas a zero sequence component, they are same in all respect. They are same in the magnitude, they are same in the angle also. All are having the same angle, it can be observed here. So all we can observe that we are having the same angles. You can also draw straight with a zero angle. So we can call them a set of three phasors equal magnitude with zero displacement from each other. The angle will be what? Zero. So this is about the converting unbalanced phasor into the symmetrical components. Once I convert this unbalanced into symmetrical components, now we have to discuss how to convert those phasors in an expression. So that is the next topic. So here in this model, further two derivations are most important. This is the first one, expression for phase voltages in terms of a symmetrical. Here the phase voltages whatever we have a previous, so you can have the phase voltage VA, VB, VC. These VA, VB, VC I am going to express in terms of VA1, VA2 and VA0. That is the aim. So you can refer to the figure 2A. So we can observe that the phase VB1 is having a leads by an angle 240 degree from the VA1, that can be observed, and VC1 is leading by an angle 120 degree from VA1. So hence we have written in the equation form VB1 is equal to VA1 with an angle difference of 240. Then similarly VC1 is having a angle difference of 120. So in every problem or every expression I need to maintain this angle 240 and 120. So it will be difficult to write every time 240 degree and 120 degree. Hence to make its simplification we have referred the operator A. So we are making use of operator A for our simplification. We are making a parameter A. You can also refer it as any parameter. You can have it as m alpha. Sometimes we will refer it as a alpha. The alpha or a is having an angle of 1 with an angle 120 degree, we will represent it. That is A is equal to 1 with an angle 120, A square, that is A into A, it will be equal to 1 with an angle 240. So why it is 1 with an angle 240? Because A into A, 1 into 1 magnitude same, angle we have to add, 120 plus 120, it will be 240. So similarly we will continue, A square into A, that is A square is 1 with an angle 240. If I multiply with the A, 1 into 1 same, 240 plus 120, 360 degree. 360 degree is nothing but a 0. So we have taken A cube is equal to 1. So A cube into A again I have to do. So A cube into A, if you do, it will retain an angle 120 only. Hence I have referred it as A. So if I add 1 plus A square, it will be equal to 0. 1 as it is. A is 1 with an angle 120. A square is 1 with an angle 240. So if you add this all in the calculator, you are going to get it a value as 0. And A conjugate, that is A's conjugate, is nothing but 1 with an angle minus 120. So minus 120 is referred as a 240. Hence I am writing A conjugate is equal to A square. And this is an expression A minus A square is equal to J root 3. A square minus A equal to minus J root 3. So these, presently I am using only A and A square. In the further problems I am using these further. Just you have to remember this formula. So these formulas I am referring. So referring A and A square, we have rewritten the equation. VB1 is equal to VA1. We have a 240. So instead of writing 240 degree, we have written A square. Here we have a VC1 is equal to VA1 with an angle 120. Instead of writing 120, we can write it as a A. So this is rewriting the equation with the help of operator A. Now, this equations we obtained with the help of a figure 2a, that is referring to the positive component. Similarly, I will refer it for the negative components. If I take it for the negative components, here we can observe VB2 is leading by an angle 120 with a VA2. VC2 is leading by an angle 240 degree with VA2. Same we have written. VB2 is equal to VA2 with an angle 120 difference. VC2 is equal to VA2 with an angle 240. Replacing 120 and 240 by operator A. So 120 is replaced by A, 240 is replaced by A square. So now for the zero sequence component, so all are having the same value, either the magnitude or the displacement. Hence all are equal. VA not equal to VB not equal to VC not. So using the equation 1, 2, 3, so we can write a equation now. The phasor VA, that is in the previous I have taken this phasor VA. This VA can be resolved in terms of a VA1, VA2 and VA0. Same we have referred. VA is equal to VA0 plus VA1 plus VA2. Similarly, VB is taken by the equation of VB is equal to the VB1 plus VB2 plus VB0. Same we have written here. Similarly for VC, VC is equal to VC0 plus VC1 plus VC2. Now, this equation I am going to write in terms of a matrix form. So you can have, before writing it in the matrix form, I will include here VA1, VA2 equations. So VA1, VB1, VC1 already you know here. VA1 as it is we will keep. VB1 is equal to what we have, A square into VA1. So replace this by A square into VA1. VC1 is A into VA1. Replace this by A into VA1. VA2 as it is. Here VB2 is, we got it as a into VA2. So replace this by A into VA2. VC2 we have got it as A square into VA2. So replace this by A square into VA2. If you use equation 1, 2, 3 in 4, we will get this. Just we have replaced it. So this equation can be written in the matrix form as VA, VB, VC on one side. So in this common factor are VA0, VA1, VA2. I have taken it as a column vector. The remaining will be here. We don't have any factor. 1, 1, 1 will remain. Here we have 1 A square A, 1 A square. So that has been shown here. This is a 1 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. This is a column matrix. This is one more column matrix. So this equation form you have to remember in the problems. This is very important, and this derivation is also very important. So following this, one more derivation we will do, where now we know how the phase voltages are converted into symmetrical components. Now next part we will deal is that symmetrical components, how to convert into phase voltage. That is your next expression for symmetrical components in terms of phase voltages. So we will be giving the value of a VA0, VA1, VA2. Then from that we have to calculate the phase voltages. So for that, let us make use of the previous equation. In this equation, let me name this matrix. This matrix completely I have named it as a T. Let us take T is equal to this matrix. Then equation 6 I will rewrite it as VA, VB, VC. Instead of that I have taken it as a T. Then VA0, VA2 as it is. Now I want to find VA0, VA1, VA2. Hence I will keep as it is. This matrix I will take it on other side. If I take this matrix on other side, it will become a inverse. So we have taken VA0, VA1, VA2, T inverse of VA, VB, VC. Now to find the inverse of a matrix, in the mathematics we know that inverse of a matrix is given by adjoint of a matrix divided by determinant of a matrix. First we have find determinant. So determinant of a matrix is found by just close this row, 1 into a square a raised to 4 minus a into a square we have written. Next minus 1 into a square as it is, minus a we have maintained, 1 a minus a square we have done. So a raised to 4 equal to a, already I have discussed about that, I have changed it. In this I will take minus common. If I take minus common, it will become plus. So you have taken plus a minus a square. This will keep as it is. So sum of all these will become 3a minus a square. So now to find the adjoint of a T. So to find adjoint, again we will repeat the same, and we know that the diagonal value we will substitute it as a minus. This is cross rhombus structure. These all elements will be of minus. Just I have multiplied and kept. So this row we have closed. A raised to 4 minus a square I have kept as it is. This row you close. A square minus a we have kept as it is with a negative sign. This row you close. A minus a square I have kept as it is. Then completely this row you close. A square minus a we have maintained. Then continue with the same thing. So you will get all this. Now this commonly I want to make it as a minus a square. So this a raised to 4 is nothing but a minus a square I have made. Here I will take minus common, it will become plus. So automatically it will be a minus a square. A minus a square as it is, we have left it. In this again you take minus common, a minus a square. Here I want to make it in terms of a minus a square so that I can take it out. So to make it as a minus a square, I will multiply a component a with a minus a square. So a into a minus a square, if I do a into a square retained as it is, a into a square, a cube is nothing but 1 minus 1. So you will get the same form. A into a minus a square if I do, you will get the same form. So I have replaced by it. Here I will multiply a square into a minus a square. If you multiply again, you will retain same. A square minus a 1. A cube, that is 1. A square into a square, a raised to 4 equal to 1. Same we have maintained here. Then similarly here, kept as it is. This we will replace by this same value. Same value we have replaced. This is same value we have replaced. Same we have kept here. Now in this whole matrix, a minus a square is common. I have taken it out. Then if I take a minus a square common, the remaining is 1 1 1 1 a square 1 a square a. I have kept it. So here it should be a square. So substituting adjoint and determinant here. So T inverse is equal to, I have substituted whatever we got adjoint, whatever determinant we got. If you solve it, these two will get cancelled, 1 by 3, and this matrix will remain. So the equation 7 here, I will replace the T inverse, VA0, VA1, VA2. Then T inverse is given by 1 by 3 into this matrix 1 1 1 1 a square 1 a square a, as it is we have maintained. This can also be written in the form of an equation as VA0 1 by 3 VA plus VB plus VC, VA1 1 by 3 VA plus a VB plus a square VC, VA2 1 by 3 VA plus a square VB plus a VC. So these two expressions are very important. You have to remember the symmetrical components in terms of a phase, and you have to remember phase in terms of a symmetrical. Here no need to do any confusion, only this matrix is changed. Here we have a 1